Of course, my radiator kicked on the second I decided to sit down and film, because literally, why wouldn't that happen? Like, why wouldn't it happen? Anyways, I'm doing something a little different today. If you're someone that's been subscribed to me, I normally make makeup videos, and I want to do a hair video today because I watch a lot of hair care videos, and I figured I might as well make them since I like making YouTube videos. So today, I'm going to be doing a clay mask on my hair for the first time ever. If you are new here and you're excited about this, make sure you subscribe. Like I said, I normally make makeup videos, but I'm going to try to make some more hair care videos as well because it's something that I very much enjoy. Anyways, my scalp has been like ridiculously dry and itchy lately. Like, I was sitting in class today and I just could not stop like itching my scalp. And I've done all my like usual things to it. Like, I normally will sometimes mix some tea tree oil in with my shampoo, or I'll do like a castor coconut oil and rosemary treatment on my scalp if my scalp's getting really itchy, and none of the usual things have been working. So I decided to do a little bit of research and discovered that clay masks can be really great for dry, itchy, flaky scalp, and I already have this because I do this like once every 3 months when my skin gets super disgusting. So I figured there's no harm in trying it once, unless it literally makes my hair fall out, in which case there was harm. But anyways, yeah, I do have curly hair. I do follow the curly girl method, so I don't have like silicone on my scalp or whatever that's making it all itchy and uncomfortable. I'm not that great at the whole curl pattern thing, especially because my hair is literally different every single day of the week. I want to say I have mostly like 2C wavy hair. I do have like some random ringlets in here though that are probably more of like a 3A, maybe like 3 and like a half before A. I don't really know. If anyone wants to tell me my curl pattern, feel free to comment down below, because all the drawings and the charts are all different. They're all different. So anyways, yeah, I have this. I did my research, and some people mix this with water, some people mix it with apple cider vinegar. So I'm going to do like a little sploosh of apple cider vinegar and then the rest water. I normally just do water on my face because my face is a little more dry and sensitive. And then I am going to mix just like a little bit of my favorite oils in as well, because I already can do that. And I feel like you can almost never have too much oil in your hair unless you're like literally going outside with it in your hair, in which case you gotta tone it down a little bit. But I have a ceramic bowl and the plastic spoon. Ooh, I feel like I should angle the camera down so you can actually watch me mix this, but my desk is so messy that I kind of don't want to do that, so I'm not gonna. This stuff is really cheap. I forgot how much I paid for this because I bought it a while ago, but it was like, I think I got it at Whole Foods or maybe, and it was like $10, so I got it on Amazon. I don't know. I'll find it online and link it down below. Anyways, the current state of my hair is disgusting. My ends are still bleach damage from me bleaching my hair like literally 2 years ago. It's literally crunchy. Like, hair shouldn't be crunchy. Yeah, I'm in desperate need of a haircut. I normally have more curl definition. My hair is falling all weird. It's just disgusting. It's really gross. Yeah, so like apparently somehow this is supposed to help moisturize your hair. Oh my god, this is like steaming. I hope y'all can see that. Why is this happening? It's literally steaming after I pour the apple cider vinegar in. I read up on this and I was like, sounds like I should only put this on my scalp. But then apparently you can apply this to all of your hair and it helps moisturize and helps your curls be defined, which I'm a little suspect about because I'm like, this kind of like dries out my face a little bit when I put it on my face. So not quite sure how it moisturizes the hair. So we'll see if I regret this. This is so clumpy. See, this is why I only do this mask every 3 months, even though I probably should do it more because my skin's kind of disgusting sometimes. This literally smells like cat litter. Okay, and I'm gonna put some of my rosemary oil in here because that's good for the scalp. Did about a dropper full. It's very empty. I'll link this one down below. I know for a fact I got this on Amazon. And just a little bit of my castor oil. This is from the same brand that makes my rose water and glycerin that I never shut up about. This smells really good now. The rosemary cancels out the foot smell of the apple cider vinegar. Alrighty. So this is what my clay looks like. I'm gonna go put this on my hair. So basically you're supposed to wet your hair so that it doesn't just like drag through your dry hair, and then put it on your whole head. I think I'm gonna like put it on my scalp and then like drag it through the ends because I'm not sure if I really have enough for my whole head, and I like literally already put the whole container in here pretty much. So yeah, I'm gonna film on my phone in the bathroom because I'm not taking my whole ass camera into the bathroom. Might end up putting some of this on my face, even though I put castor oil in it, and I don't think you're supposed to put castor oil on your face. Yeah. I already know my mom is gonna text me a screenshot of my face and be like,
"Sis, you look whack."
So yeah, this like was low-key instantly soothing on my scalp. Like it feels so good. Like my scalp doesn't itch for the first time in like 2 weeks, which is amazing. So I'm gonna let this dry and then I'm gonna shower, do my regular routine. Can't decide if I'm gonna co-wash or not. It'll kind of depend on how my hair feels. And then I'm going to use a microfiber towel to dry my hair. I normally alternate between a microfiber towel and plopping it in a t-shirt, but the plop can kind of enhance the curl a little bit, and I want you to just see what my curl looks like after this mask on its own. And I use Shea Moisture Leave-In and Eco Flaxseed Gel. So see y'all when that's done. So the clay took a minute to rinse out of my hair, so I'm very tired. My contacts are so dry right now. And I'm kind of only here because I said I'd check in after I rinsed my hair. I realized that it kind of doesn't matter how my hair looks when it's wet because your hair always kind of looks good when it's wet. Something about how defined the curls are. My leave-in conditioner is like having a hard time soaking into my hair. God, I can't even keep my eyes open. My contacts are so dry. My leave-in's like weirdly not soaking into my hair. There's like these weird little white dots on it, but I mean, I feel like right now my curls look good. If they stayed like this, I'd be happy, but they won't. So I let my hair air dry. I'm gonna sleep on it, which you're literally not supposed to sleep on wet hair, but I do because I'm lazy and I'm not gonna blow dry it. So I do have a satin pillowcase. Maybe in the morning it'll just magically be like. So yeah, I'm gonna sleep and I'll show y'all my hair when I wake up. All right, here I am with dry hair, and this is how it's looking. I do definitely have more definition in some of my curls, like significantly more actually. I'm not sure that I'm really loving how my hair feels right now. It kind of just feels like weird, like maybe I should have done a cute little deep condition instead of just my regular conditioner after washing the clay out. However, my scalp no longer itches like crazy. I have like this one little spot back here that got a little itchy throughout the day, but it's not like this constant annoying like dry itchiness, which is what it was before I did the clay mask. So from a vanity standpoint, I'm not sure that I really care about the mask. Like if I wasn't having the dry scalp issues, I don't think that like making it and putting it in and like the struggle of rinsing it out would really be worth it just for like the little added bit of curl definition. However, since it did help my scalp feel so much better, I do think that it was really worth it for me. And I can definitely see myself doing something like this like once or twice a month or just as needed, since clearly my hair got to a point where just my regular like shampoo wasn't doing it for me anymore. So yeah, my ends are still real crispy looking. I'm definitely in real need of a actual professional haircut, which I haven't had in like over a year now. I normally just cut my own hair. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was lots of fun. I will link everything that I used down below. If you did enjoy this video and you would like to see more hair videos in the future, definitely give this a thumbs up so I know that people actually liked it. Make sure you're subscribed, posting scheduled pending, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye!